What's up, dudes? Alright, so Phony Diamond here. I'm going to meet up with Saul, my detail guy, auto detail guy. And he's going to wash these cars because I try to do it, it doesn't work. I'm too impatient, you know what I mean? I'm just way too impatient, and it's best that we let him do it. Anyway, it's probably better, yeah, let's auto detail this thing because, well, these cars, because I'm just too impatient. And what is going on with this camera? There you go. So yeah, I'd rather have him do that than me trying to spend something like 1 or 2 hours and nothing get done, you know what I mean? So here we are. Let's take the truck first. Be better. Oh, I love this truck, man. Shelby Beast. You know, been doing a lot of thinking, man, and I want to let you guys know that, you know what, I appreciate all the subscribers so far. I have about 1,000 subscribers, and I did a little bit of reflecting, you know, within myself and the channel, and I made up my mind, man. I'm gonna try to get this channel to 1 million subscribers. And the only way to do that is to actually be myself, at 100% myself. So far, you know, I've done these cool videos and all that kind of stuff, and I get it, you know, I gotta play the game, and I try to play the game, but you know what, man, I'm coming at it all wrong, you know. And what I meant by that is just that I'm kind of at it, you know, like 80% myself, and the other 20% I'm not myself, you know. So yeah, so I thought I'd tell you guys that real quick, and I'll talk a little bit more about that. Meanwhile, let's take this Shelby Beast and the Diamond Beast right here. That's the the Diamond Beast. So let me you know, go meet up, take this truck to Saul real quick. He's my auto detail guy. Alright, let me get my seatbelt on. Alright, no car. Gotta be careful here. The valley guy's fast, man. Alright. I know Saul for about 4 years, and he's done a great job, you know, washing my cars. I should say detail my cars. I think you guys saw that in the last video. I tried to attempt cleaning my own car, and wasn't successful at all. I'm just not, I guess, you know what, I'm not patient, man. You know, some people can sit there, really do that, and just not me, you know. Oh, there's a car coming, gotta be careful. So yeah, some people can do that. I can't. I'm not that cut out for that. In fact, I had to discover, you know, probably like 5 years ago, man. I have to accept myself that I'm impatient kind of guy. Ooh. So yeah. Let me go. Oh, fuck. Got behind me. So anyway, yeah, I just thought I give you background. So Saul, you know, he's out in Las Vegas, man. I know he's has an Instagram, and I'll put them all in the description here for you guys. You guys ever need auto, you know, he's mobile, so he comes to you. Just, you know, make sure you tip the guy well, you know what I mean? I try to do that with him. So we'll, you know, he got to feed himself and his wife, you know. Other than that, man, yeah, here he is right here. We're gonna pull up to him right now. I'll introduce him to you guys. If you're ever in Vegas, you know. I know you guys like to come to Vegas, right? You can get your car clean, detailed while you party it up. Where is he? What the hell? Normally he's here. He's not here. Alright. I don't know where he's at. Normally he parks right there. Let me, this track thing is on. Yeah, normally he parks up that way. That way. Let me go that way. But he's not here. There he is. Anyway, he just got here from here. We can say hello. What happened?
Last time they don't watch but
They told you?
yeah.
Who?
I don't know. Guy, but
Fuck that guy.
yeah.
No, you're cool, man. Yeah, the little camera. Say hello. Instagram. What's your Instagram name? Solid Auto Detailing, right? Saul. Solid Detailing on Instagram. Okay. You don't speak good English, but you have fucking Instagram. So that's his mobile. That's my truck. I was telling everybody how
much you pay for
this thing?
Yeah.
$300. $350 actually.
Nice, huh?
Yeah. Yeah. So look, and you go like this. Camera flip. See?
Oh shit.
So now we see it again.
Nice.
Good, right? Dude, I did it with driving, holding this thing. Yeah, I did you know, driving and then holding one hand. So it's pretty good, man. It's does a good job. So then you put like that, and then you back to. See, it's smooth, so you can walk. Like, you know, it doesn't. You know how the picture goes shaking, yeah. Yeah. So this is like smooth. See, so I go fast. See, it's still smooth. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So then I flip it over and talk to myself. That's Saul over there. Cool, yeah. All right, man. Saul got the truck. We'll go back and get the diamond beast. Gonna watch the cars around here, man. I'm a little bit paranoid, but you gotta be. We got the Lambo. He's the man that do it right. He does it right. Learn from me. Don't try to wash your own car if you can't. Hire a professional to do it. Let's go this way better. I love this camera though. I smell pot. Holy shit. That's pretty strong. Get that lady was getting high. I'm trying to frame myself. There we go. Much better. Much better. Alright. You guys ever wonder why the hell do I have the towel here? It's really simple, man. Because of the the seat or leather, and it's cream color, so you don't really want to wear the seats out, I wish it was black, then I could just wear my jeans, right? You wouldn't see anything. Alright, here's my favorite part. You hit this button here, and you get the that's always cool. Now I got the camera back on tracking. Double tap on the screen to get the auto track on. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and drive out of here. You guys see me? Holy shit. Oh, dark. Okay, here we go. Look at this better, right? Nobody. Like I said, you know what? When you're working with high-end cars, you don't really want to be half-assed, you want to really take your time. I would say, or I would suggest you guys hire a professional, hopefully for a good price, but my buddy saw there, like I said, has his own.
Back up against the rail.
What was that about? Well, everybody usually the MG behind me. All I'm doing is taking it in its off. Helping me wash the car. It looks like I'm gonna go somewhere, right? No, not really. You always take care of the cars, guys. Now, just so you know, the maintenance is an extra cost of ownership for this car. going on with this big rig? Yes, extra cost incurred, of course, to own the, any kind of supercar. You gotta always have tender love and care, Oh, this guy. That's a piece of shit right there that will report us. Fuck that guy. Alrighty. Man. I think he's getting on my nerves. This stuff down here though. Gotta clean this up. There it is.
Hi.
Hey, who are you?
Huh?
Who are you? You're helping this guy?
Yeah.
Who is she? Your sister or what?
No, it's my first daughter.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you remember? You remember?
Hey, wait, hold on. Who was the, who told you not to wash right here?
I don't know, remember my wife.
Was it that guy that can walk over here? He has a dog?
No.
No? Okay. Alright. See, easy detail the whole thing. This is some shit I would never do. So he takes out the rubber mats. It's on the floor. I would never do it. So that alone is worth the admission. And this one is, can't really tell it's dirty, but it is. And he's gonna handle it, I guess. What do you think? Dirty, huh? Look like snow. So what do you do? How are you gonna help him?
I vacuum my tires.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
He's like, okay, what are you doing today? Nothing. Come help me.
Yeah.
Is he paying you?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
This guy?
Yeah.
Oh, he's the FA now, huh?
Yeah.
You're the fucking FA. Nice. I told him he should be the boss. He finally listened.
Yeah.
Hey, it's like snowing. Let me show you guys how dirty this thing is. See? I love you. High professional. Don't try to be a hero like me. Anyway, let's go. So as I was saying that you know, been giving a lot of thoughts on what to do going forward with my YouTube channel. You know, originally, I mean not originally, I was having a lot of fun making these videos, but I realized something, that if I ever want to try to get to 1 million subscribers, that's my goal. There's no way that I can continue kind of performing the way that I've been producing these videos, meaning that it's like 70 to 80% myself, you know, the other 20-30% I'm not really being me, I guess. You know, sometimes I use profanity, you know, on everyday speeches or conversations, you know what I mean. I smoke so like right now, you know, so we're gonna make some changes around here. Basically, it's real simple. I'm going to try to be myself as much as possible, because I figured you know, you guys probably would appreciate that. That includes me smoking. Like right now, I don't condone, you know, anybody watching this video and they're, you know, under the age of 18 to go start smoking and stuff like that. Don't get me wrong, you know, but I'm trying to be myself and not be somebody I'm not. You know what I'm saying? Is that okay? That's okay, right? That's probably the, you know, the best for the channel, as well as for myself. And I can continue making more videos because I actually enjoy it. You know, it wasn't supposed to feel like a job. You know what I mean? And at times it would feel like it was a job, and I didn't like that. I wanted to be myself. You know what I mean? I wanted to enjoy myself making these videos. If I was gonna make my point, you know, give you my point, and make you understand. Sometimes I might say the F word. Or the S word, things like that, you know. So anyway, there's gonna be a bit of changes around here. I just thought you guys should know that, because I'm gonna go all out, man. Also, I'm looking to release a video every day at 9 p.m. So tune in as well. That being said, I think my car is done. I just got a text from Saul that the car's done. So let's go check it out. Looks like a grasshopper. Fuck. Yeah, here. You'll see this on Instagram. Looks new, huh? You need to move to Washington, senor.
Yeah.
Yeah. You sleep all day over there, cold. Shit. Oh. I almost killed myself. Put some music, right? Saw the man. What do you think? Yeah? You like the color?
Yeah.
I was gonna be like green or yellow, you know that? But it's good as not any of that, you know? Shit, this is pretty, man. Whoa! Holy shit, I almost got it on the camera. What the fuck? Dude, that almost an accident. Anyway, guys, this is Pony Diamond. Say thanks for watching. If you like the video, you found it educational or entertaining, hit like, subscribe. Trying to get to the next level. Other than that, I'll see you in the next video. Do it.